In this video, you will see how to access specific student information, like the phone number of a student. In the portal, click on the Academics link. Under the Student Support column, click the Select Student link. You may enter the student's ID or username, or you may look up the ID or username, or search for the student's name by name. So if I click that button, I can just put in the student's name and do a search. Then on the left-hand side of the screen, if I click the Student Biographical Information link, I can view the specific information about this student, including their image, their phone number, and email address. In this video, you saw how to access the telephone number of a student.